Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. See, in the last class, we have studied about the floral formulas, how to write floral formulas, and how to make a floral diagram, right? With that outer world to the innermost world. Now, next thing, I hope you all have rounder or the bangle with you to make a diagram. See, this diagram you will have to make with me. Okay, you have to follow my all instruction, and with that you will have to make a diagram. I will check. Okay, once my diagram is completed, I will check your diagram, right? So are you all ready with pencil, rounder, all things? First, see, first make a circle. You have to make a large circle. Chaliye, all of you, switch on your video quickly. Diagram. So make a floral diagram of mustard flower. In that first outermost wall calyx, in that four sepals are present. Calyx, in that four sepals, 2 plus 2 condition, 2 outer, 2 inner, right? Tell me, this much portion is done? All of you? Right.
Ma'am, અને double border આપવાની છે બે.
Yes, yes. Next thing, that make a petal, right? So in that again, आपको rounder से you will have to make a circle over here. Right? And now, आप देखो, listen, this is the entire sepal towards the mother axis. So you will have to make first cut for petal over here. Exactly half में करना. Each sepal half portion, you will have to make a cut and erase that portion. Little bit portion erase. So your diagram looks like yes, Tirth, you can rejoin. Make sure that sepals and petals should not be attached with each other. If they attach with each other, okay, then you will actually making a wrong diagram, because in the mustard, sepals and petals are not fused with each other. So remember. Okay. Next, even sepal, petal, if you can make out over here, see, these are the sepals ends, two adjacent. They are totally free from each other. These ends are free from each other. They are not joined. So small thing, little things that you will have to understand. Same for petals. right? Petals are also not fused with each other. They are remain free from each other. Polypetalous like condition. Now next, first make at the center. आपको मैं यहाँ पे in mustard, okay, remember in mustard what type of placentation? Can anyone tell me in mustard what type of placentation? बोलो. Parietal, correct. Okay. In mustard, parietal type of the placentation. So in that, in your textbook actually given this diagram in this format. यहाँ पे उन्होंने दो lines बनाए, and then over here ovules is attached, stalk and then ovule. ऐसा structure आपको बनाना है. Then next, see it indicates two carpels are present, bicarpellary condition. Then next, make androecium wall. Androecium in that the 6 stamens are present. 2 plus 4 condition. Now understand first. 2 plus 4 condition over here. 2 totally outer, 4 totally inner. So when you make a 2, that and stamen part, you know the stamen. In this way, you will have to make stamen, right? So make over here. Yes. Both should be on same size and same position, even in opposite direction. These are the two outer stamen. Now, next thing that for inner, towards the gynoecium you will have to make. Right? First make this type of the 4 lines and then you can make this shape of the stamen. So if you see, अगर हम इसको dotted line से represent करें, so this one totally outer and next 4 are inner wall. Right? If you have done this much, write down that yes in chat box so I can go ahead.
हेलो मैम.
बोलो. बोलो.
मैम मैंने તમારો અવાજ બરાબર
आप नेटवर्क, आपके यहाँ पे नेटवर्क इश्यूज होंगे. Students, my voice is clear or not to all? आप ऐसा है तो श्रेया रीजॉइन कर लो.
ओके मैम.
Good. Now, Archie, show your diagram to me.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
हाँ. ओवरी का अंदर बना है आपने आरजी, जस्ट सर्कल दिख रहा है यहाँ पे.
यस मैम.
ओवरी का पोर्शन बना है आपने, गाइनोशियम पार्ट, उसमें जिस जस्ट सर्कल दिख रहा है, आपने वो बाई कार्पेलरी कंडीशन बना है.
नो मैम, अभी कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, डू इट. नेक्स्ट, गालव. यस गालव, गुड.
મેમ
हाँ बोलो.
જે ટેસ્ટ સબમિશન વાળું નંબર છે ને એના પર મેં મેસેજ કર્યું પિક્ચર.
ओके, विद्या मैडम प्लीज चेक.
Yes, ma'am.
जुगल. जुगल क्लियर નથી ડાયાગ્રામ દેખાતો.
एक
अच्छा,
मिनट मैम.
हम्म.
एक मिनट.
Students, we have made this floral diagram, right? Now, on the basis of this floral diagram, how can we write floral formula to describe a flower? Okay, how can we write floral formula to describe a flower? So, in that, first always remember, you will have to mention symmetry. Then second, whether it's a unisexual or bisexual, floral formula should be in sequence. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको जो भी याद है वो लिख दिया. No. Right? So first write down about their symmetry, then unisexual or bisexual. Then follow the four walls: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Now, first symmetry. Can you tell me this flower? Okay, ये flower है. This flower can be cut into two equal halves by any plane of axis or any one plane of axis. Or else, this flower shows what type of symmetry, radial or bilateral? Zenil correct. Jugal correct. Yes. See, if I cut this flower by this axis, so it can be divided into two equal halves, right? If I can cut into this two axis, in this axis, this, in this way, then again it becomes two equal halves, right? Next, if I can cut the flower in this way, again two equal halves, same for the this. So that's why we call this is the radial symmetrical flower, right? So for radial symmetry, we make a symbol, this one. Now tell me, this flower is unisexual or bisexual? Bisexual. Why? Because in this floral diagram, you can make out androecium whorl as well as gynoecium whorl, both are present. So we call bisexual flower. And now make a symbol for bisexual. Right? Then describe four whorls. Outermost whorl, which one? Outermost whorl, which one? Calyx. In this calyx, how many sepals? Yes, C, capital C, that's the correct. How many sepals? 4. free or fused? Correct, they are free. And in this, you can clearly observe that two sepals totally outer and two sepals totally inner. This one is outer. See, they're both ants. Ants you will have to follow outer. Then this one inner. Again, this one as both the ants outer. This one inner. So we write calyx. Total 4 sepals are there. But we have to write in which way? Sorry, my mistake. Not C, K. Right? Calyx का K होता है. C नहीं, याद रखना. 2 plus 2. We write in this way. 4 sepals, but 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 indicates what? 2 outer, 2 inner. Right? Now next. After calyx, next is a which word? Corolla. Corolla represented as C, capital C. Here, how many petals are present? 4. And they are arranged in a same wall. See, अगर हम circle बनाए तो एक ही line में वो सारे आ जाएंगे. Yes or no? So that's why we call these are arranged in a one layer, one wall. So we write simply C4 in bracket or without bracket. Yes, they are free. So without bracket. Correct. Fatima and all correct. Chaliye. After corolla, next is a which word? Androecium, right? We write in this way, androecium, capital A. In the total 6 stamens are there. But again, these 6 are arranged in a which pattern? All in a same word? Yes, different. So we write in this way 2 plus 4. And they all are free from each other. So we here no need to make that bracket. Now next is the gynoecium one. Here 2 carpels are present, 1 and 2. Right? Remember, यहाँ से नहीं पता चलेगा कि superior ovary है, inferior. But in theory, you will learn this thing. In mustard, what type of ovary is present? Superior, inferior, semi-inferior, which one? Bolo. Yes, correct, Sanil. Superior. Right? So make line over here. And here parietal placentation in mustard. So in mustard parietal placentation, in that syncarpus ovary or the apocarpus condition, parietal में क्या होता है? Syncarpus और apocarpus. They are fused or free? बोलो. Yes, डालो. Correct. They are fused. So write in this way. That's why I have told you before entering my lecture, this lecture, go through entire flower at least one time. Right? So in this way, we have to describe or we have to write floral formula. First, we have made floral diagram, then floral formula. Right? Now, one more thing. You know, bract, right? Bract, again, it's a part of flower. So if bract is present, then at which position we should have to draw this bract? So over here, exactly opposite to mother axis, in this format, in this way. ऐसा structure होता है, V-shaped structure, right? Exactly opposite to this, sorry. Over here, no need to attach with the sepal, separate होना चाहिए, right? This is the bract. if this structure is present, right? So we call bracteate flower, and in formula we have to add this Br. But if this thing is not present, then we call it so E bracteate, so EBr. Bolo, clear? Now, I am giving you some practice for this. Note down the question with me. Before that, quickly over here, I will make one floral diagram, and on the basis of that, you will have to write floral formula first, right? Done. From my side, floral diagram is done. Now, one by one, okay? When I call you, you will have to unmute and tell me what should I write first in this floral diagram, in this floral formula, right? So first, चलिए, Galav. Galav, tell me first what should I write?
And symmetry.
What?
Symmetry.
Symmetry. Okay. What type of symmetry over here? Can you tell me?
And bilateral.
Mm. See, over here I have not. Wait. It's not a bilateral. See, if you can cut in this way,
Yes, ma'am.
two equal half.
Yes, ma'am.
If you can cut in this way, two equal half. So first in this one, okay, sepals का थोड़ा arrangement proper नहीं है. I can agree that it's a radial symmetry. So first make a symbol for radial symmetry. Now tell me the next one. That's the Afia. Afia, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Unisexual or bisexual?
हाँ,
कुछ
तो
भी
tell
ऐसा।
me. Over here, what should I write? Unisexual symbol बनाना है या bisexual?
I'm bisexual.
Yes, correct. Good. Bisexual.
Thank you,
Right?
ma'am.
So make this symbol bisexual का. Now next. Henna Patel. Henna, tell me. Now
Yes,
what
ma'am.
should I write?
Calyx.
Calyx. Symbol क्या है calyx का? Henna.
Yes, ma'am. K.
K. Right? And here, how many sepals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, these 5 sepals are free from each other, right?
Yes.
And I should write simply in this format K5 or I should write in different format?
Ma'am, the same format K5 simply.
K5. Okay, can you tell me over here what type of estivation is present?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. आपने इतना answer किया. Nazia, Nazia, can you tell me over here what type of estivation is present in sepal? If you can make out over here, this is the outer sepal or inner? Outer. This one is Nazia, inner, correct? Correct, correct. And what things about these three? See, one and outer, one inner. These three are? These three are twisted in form, right? So in which type of estivation we have learned that 1 plus 1 plus 3 arrangement, 1 outer, 1 inner, 3 twisted? Zenil. Zenil,
Imbricate.
just a second. Which one?
Imbricate.
Imbricate estivation, correct. So see, here we write in this way, 1 plus 1 plus 3. Right? Imbricate estivation, 1 plus 1 plus 3. Next word. Kritika. कृतिका बोलो. कृतिका बोलो. Misha.
I'm Corolla.
Corolla. Right? So Corolla symbol C. In which format should I? How many petals? Misha?
5.
5. Free or fused?
Fused.
Fused. So in bracket or without bracket?
In bracket.
Correct. And can you tell me in this corolla, what type of estivation is present? Bolo. Very easy one. Jaiti. Jaiti Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of estivation over here?
I'm marginal.
वो placentation है. Don't mix this two. Placentation and estivation. Netra. Netra Patel. Can you tell me what type of estivation over here? Shreya.
Hello.
श्रेया बोलो. ओके नहीं, श्रेया बोलो. फर्स्ट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. श्रेया
Hello, ma'am.
बोलो, what type of estivation? Disha.
Hello.
Yes, Disha
Ma'am,
बोलो.
Valvet.
Yes, good, very good. Valvet estivation. All are in margin. Margin ऐसा नहीं कि marginal placenta. Along the margin arrangement, valvet estivation. Right? चलिए, next. So in that, they all are arranged in a same wall. So we simply write C5
Hello.
with bracket.
Hello.
Now the next one, that is the androecium wall, right? So
Hello, ma'am.
androecium wall, Shreya, mute yourself now. Androecium wall, Diya. Diya Vyas, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Diya बोलो, androecium wall को describe करो. How to write over here? How many stamens are present? Tell me first. Diya. अभी ना तो काउंटिंग आना चाहिए ना. तीर्थ. Tirth, how many stamens are present?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 10.
Yeah, 10 है. See this is the one single. आप
No,
यहाँ पे
no, ma'am, 5.
हाँ wait. आप confusion मत रखो. This is the entire one stamen,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So total 5. They are free or fused?
Madam, fuse.
कहाँ पे fused है? किसके साथ attach है बोलो?
Ma'am, don't
दिख
know.
रहा है? नहीं है. Don't know why, because है ही नहीं. This stamens totally free,
Yes, ma'am.
not attached with their adjacent one or the adjacent that wall. Petal के साथ नहीं है, gynoecium के साथ नहीं है, right? So that's why we write simply in this format A5, right? चलो next. Gynoecium wall describe करना है. Atrey. Tell me over here how many carpels are present? Gynoecium wall describe how many carpels are present?
Ma'am, 2.
You are not audible.
Hello. Hello.
बोलो.
हाँ मैम
अत्रे
सुन रहा है?
बोलो. हाँ
हाँ
बोलो.
मैम 2.
2.
हाँ.
Wrong. Meat shing. बोलो.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Correct. Can you tell me meat over here what type of placentation?
What?
These 3 are fused or free? First of all ये बताओ.
Fused.
Fused. Excellent. आपको प्लेसेंटेशन पता चलता है? बस इसके लिए याद भी होना चाहिए. बोलो. Don't know?
मैम अभी याद नहीं आ रहा.
याद नहीं है. Yes. Good. मानव मोदी.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो. What type of placentation over here? In
Hello,
this
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो, you are audible.
हेलो
You are audible. चलिए next. Jugal.
मैम एक्साइल प्रेजेंटेशन.
Correct. Excellent. Exile presentation. Now, okay, this is a hypothetical floral diagram actually. Suppose I am telling you that this is floral diagram of, this is floral diagram of that rose, hypothetically, right? This is a floral diagram of rose. So what type of ovary is present over here? Means position of ovary is what type? Superior, inferior, semi-inferior, which one? Shreya. श्रेया अभी आपका टर्न है, बोलो. Shri, your answer is wrong. Jugal, your answer is wrong. We are wrong. I'm asking about rose. Plum, rose, and peach. 3 examples belongs to what type of flower? 2 to 3 students are given correct answer. Yes, Mr. Kadaks, totally wrong. आप तो symmetry में चले गए. Yes, semi-inferior or half inferior. So I should make line over here. Right? So in this way, you will have to describe floral formula from floral diagram. आपको ऐसे कोई भी फ्लोरल डायग्राम दे दे, उसके ऊपर से आपको फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला डिस्क्राइब करना आ सकता है, और एल्स डिस्क्राइब द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ फ्लावर. यू कैन इजीली डिस्क्राइब दिस फ्लावर एज radially symmetrical, bisexual, calyx is present in that 5 sepals are there. They are arranged in this manner, one outer, one inner, 3 twisted. That shows the imbricate activation. Then next one, that's the corolla. In corolla, 5 petals are present. They are fused with each other, shows the valvate activation. Then next, androecium. In that totally 5 stamens are present and they are free from each other. Then gynoecium. In that 3 carpels are present and here the ovules are arranged on the central placenta. So we call axial placentation. The carpels are fused to each other. Right? This many point, 2 marks में ये question आ सकता है. Any floral diagram, okay, we can give you any floral diagram, and on the basis of that you will have to describe either floral formula or else entire flower in detail. Now the last thing, if you can see over here, this structure, this one is a bract. So if bract present, right, always write before symmetry. Right? Always write before symmetry whether it's a bracteate or ebracteate. In your textbook actually given from the symmetry. So I have told you that first write symmetry. Otherwise first actually this one, bracteate or ebracteate. Right? Still anyone is there who is not clear yet to how to make a floral diagram, how to write floral formula, and how to describe the flower from this floral diagram or formula? Tell me. I can explain again. Write down at least yes or no. Good. Now write down the question. Write down the question that a flower has 5 sepals. Sorry, a flower has 5 sepals and they are arranged in overlapping pattern. and they are arranged in overlapping pattern. Five sepals with overlapping pattern. Now next, in this, okay, next that's directly write down. 5 petals are present. 5 petals are present. And petals के साथ एक term join कर दो. 5 gamopetalous. 5 gamopetalous type of petals are there. 5 gamopetalous type of petals are present. Next, and these petals are arranged along the margin. Along the margin. Next, in this flower, you write down. In this flower, 5 stamens are present. Five stamens are present. And these stamens are free from each other. Gynoecium whorl is absent. Gynoecium whorl is absent. So on the basis of this information, write down the floral formula for this flower. Yes, how sir? First, which one? Symmetry. What type of symmetry? What type of symmetry?
Bilateral.
Correct. Bilateral symmetry. So either we can make in this format or this format. This is the optional. Right? Chalo, Avsar. Next. Avsar,
Ma'am,
first of
after
all,
that-
please focus camera on your face. Yes, good. Now tell me. Next, what should I write?
Ma'am, calyx.
Oh, no, before that, one symbol is required. Remember floral formula mein? First symmetry. Second is which one?
Gender.
हाँ, so यहाँ पे क्या होता है?
Bisexual.
How? Bisexual meaning what? Can you tell me? बोलो मानव. अरे अवसर. Can you tell me what is the meaning of bisexual? Okay. Fatima. Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me over here after
Ma'am,
that
actually,
symmetry?
I was due to the net issue. I was living and entering now and then. I don't know the question.
Okay. चलिए. Shikha Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me after this symmetry what symbol should I make?
Ma'am, unisexual.
Unisexual, male or female? Which word is present? Simple है. In flower information given, which word is present? Male or female word? Which one? Shikha? Shri Patel. Shri?
મેમ
हाँ बोलो.
મેમ હું મેમ હું વિડિયો બંધ રાખું તો તમારો અવાજ
Okay.
મારાથી બરાબર રીતે
Okay. Shri?
જ્યારે બેન્ડવિડ્થ સારું થશે હું ચાલુ
બોલો
કરી
શ્રી.
દઈશ વિડિયો.
Unisexual में which one? Male or female?
Female.
Female. Wow. You have read the question? Listen the question first of all. What I said. Mohammed. Mohammed Muther. पहले माइक ऑन करो.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
speak. बोलो. Over here, male word is present or female or both?
Ma'am, both.
Aneri. Aneri, can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
over here which word is present, male, female or both?
Male.
Chalo fast. Which one? Male. So over here I should make this symbol or this symbol. This is the A, this is the B. Tell me which symbol should I make over here? Aneri. Aksha, can you tell me what symbol should I make in this? A or B?
A.
Correct. Good. Okay. In your question, that line is given that gynoecium is absent. Gynoecium represent female word. Simple. So simply we'll have to make a unisexual flower formula and particularly the male. Now after that, Jugal, can you tell me? Round remaining entire formula.
કેલિક્સ એમાં સેપલ્સ આર ફ્રી એટલે સિમ્પલ 5 બ્રેકેટમાં નહીં લખવાનું.
Okay.
પછી કોરોલા એમાં કેપિટલ C અને
Mhm.
બ્રેકેટમાં 5.
Yes. Then.
એન્ડ્રોશિયમમાં 5 સ્ટેમન્સ છે તો ખાલી બ્રેકેટ વગર 5.
And
બસ.
what about gynoecium?
એ તો એબ્સન્ટ છે ને તો G0.
So right. Yes, correct. G0. Right. Excellent, Jugal. Very good. Excellent. Right. G0. This is the entire floral formula. Right. Now we are going to let's start Fabaceae family. First family, that's the Fabaceae family. Now you can switch off your video. Fabaceae family, see, 3 families are given in your syllabus. That belongs to angiosperm, right? In that monocot, dicotyledon two classes. This Fabaceae family belongs to dicot class. Family we will describe in this two format by describing their vegetative characters and their floral characters. Right? Fabaceae family was earlier called Papilionidae family. Earlier known as the which one? Papilionidae family. That is subfamily of Leguminosae. Right? Subfamily of family Leguminosae. In that all legumes are present. In that all legumes are present, and these plants are present everywhere, all over the world. Distributed all over the world. Remember. Now their vegetative characters. Vegetative characters, the plants belong to this Fabaceae family. These plants either in a simple, remember in this way, plant according to height divided into three: herb, shrubs, and tree. So all these three forms available in this Fabaceae family: herb, shrubs, and tree. Right? Now, their vegetative characters first we have described. This is the habit. This one we call the habit. And this, that's all over the world, that we call the habitat. Now next, vegetative characters. For that, vegetative parts are present. Vegetative parts, which are the root, stem, and leaf. So first, root. Root, in that root nodules are present. See, in that root nodules are present. आपने सुना है that's a rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules, right? So basically, in that taproot system is present. In that, on this taproot system, mainly on their primary branch. This is the main one, primary root. Then secondary root, and this one is tertiary. Tertiary are very thin. So mainly on primary and the secondary branch, secondary structure on which the nodules, swollen structures are present. These swollen structures we call nodules, and present on roots, so we call root nodules. In these nodules, rhizobium bacteria present. In this nodule, which bacteria live? Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria पहले soil में होता है. Then this bacteria enter into the root system and live inside the root system. It gets the nourishment from the root system. The root system provides nourishment, and in response to that, this rhizobium bacteria helps in nitrogen fixation. This rhizobium bacteria helps in what? Nitrogen fixation. So in a way, both the organisms get benefit from each other. So it's an example of mutualism. It's an example of what? Mutualism. Right? Or these roots we call symbiotic roots. These roots of the pulses or legumes we call symbiotic roots because they show mutualism. Boliye, clear? Nodule part in which the rhizobium bacteria live, which helps in nitrogen fixation to this legume plant or all the pulses. Then next, so root with root nodules. Now the stem. Some of the stem are erect. Some of the stem, okay, they are strong and erect. But some of the stem are very weak. They are very weak. You know that tendril formation? Remember? Tendril formation in that the stem part. Yes or no? Long coil structure, tendril formation. Axillary bud terminates into this, right? Yes. So some are climber in which this tendril formation occur, and some are erect. Next, leaf in that alternate phyllotaxy. If you remember this type of arrangement, alternate, leaf, the leaves are arranged. So we call the alternate arrangement. Then type of leaf either pinnately compound or simple. You know, this is the simple leaf. At the base of leaf, axillary bud is present, right? And if pinnately compound leaf, then remember on that midrib, that leaf is divided into small pinna leaflets. And here single, all leaflets have single axillary bud. That is the pinnately compound leaf. Then their leaf base ये साथ में आएगा. Leaf base pulvinate. If you remember, initial part of the leaf in that that's the parts of leaf base, petiole and lamina. So in leaf base, we have learned this. This is a leaf base, petiole and lamina. Right? So this leaf base modification in that we have learned. In legumes, pulses, this leaf base becomes swollen structure. It becomes a swollen structure, and this one we call pulvinous. So leaf base pulvinate. Then next, stipules are present with the leaf base. Okay, two small green leafy structures are present. These are known as the stipules. So these stipules are present. So we call stipulate leaf. And dicot में है, so it's simple. Venation, what type? Reticulate. So leaves in that phyllotaxy alternate, type of leaf pinnately or simple, leaf base pulvinate, stipulate, and venation reticulate. This much you will have to prepare for vegetative characters of root. Are you all clear with this? See, here the first diagram given. Okay, this is first of all pea plant, pea, garden pea, Pisum sativum. Remember scientific name of pea plant. Very, very important. Pisum sativum. And if you can make out over here, this part, this is a stem, right? On the stem, here leaf base is present. This leaf base swollen structure, and with that, the stipules are present. But here stipules are leaf-like structure. We have learned that foliaceous stipules are present. लीफ मॉडिफिकेशंस में हमने ये किया है, चेक कर लेना. ऑस्ट्रेलियन अकेशिया के साथ मैंने आपको करवाया है फोटोसिंथेसिस. Right? So foliaceous stipules are present. Here stipules become large, greenish in color and perform photosynthesis. So these are the stipules. And here long, slender, coiled structure. Tendrils are present. Right? In pea, this one, if you remember, pinnately compound leaf है pea में. We have discussed that terminal leaflets convert into the tendril form. These are the tendril. And now the leaflets number decreasing, so it creates the photosynthesis. It creates the trouble in photosynthesis. Enough amount of food is not formed. That's why these foliaceous stipules are formed. Remember this thing? Next. So this is the entire floral, that's a plant diagram. In that the stem axis, which is a very weak, that's why it becomes climber. Foliaceous stipules are there, reticulate venations are present in leaf. These are the green peas, batana, their fruit. Now next, their floral characters. Floral characters in which inflorescence racemose type. Now I'm not going in detail. What is racemose cymos? I have explained that already. So inflorescence racemose type. Flower is bisexual, means in that both the whorls are present, androecium as well as gynoecium, and their symmetry is zygomorphic, bilateral symmetrical flower. Remember. Okay. See, this is the floral diagram of Fabaceae family, in which, if you can Vindhya madam, make me. Yes. So in Fabaceae family, remember, flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual. Then next, describe their sepals, calyx, corolla, right? Yes, this one. We go from this floral diagram, right? So describe the calyx wall. Quickly write down. What is the unit of calyx? That's I called it. That's the sepal. How many sepals in this floral diagram? How many sepals are present? Yes, correct. Gamosepalous condition or polysepalous condition? Free or fused means gamosepalous or polysepalous condition. Gamo condition. See this structure over here, this line that shows the joining, right? So we call gamosepalous condition. Next, see in your pamphlet notes which we have given, in that written imbricate estivation, right? But इसमें आपको imbricate estivation दिखता है? Can you able to make out in sepal, in this outermost wall, imbricate estivation? No. This is which one? Can you tell me? This is what type of estivation? Very good, Hannah. Correct. Yes, all are correct. This is valvate. So in your pamphlet, write down imbricate or valvate. In this thing given in your textbook. Imbricate or valvate means some of the members, their sepals have imbricate estivation, some have valvate. Right? Now next wall. Next wall, that is corolla. Total 5 petals are there. Tell me, they are polypetalous or gamopetalous? Fast. Yes, polypetalous. Now observe these petals. What type of estivation? What type of estivation? Correct. Vexillary. Right? Next. After that, next, that's the okay. Petals in that. One more thing. We have discussed this thing in vexillary estivation. This is the largest petal, actually. This one is the largest petal. Remember that name? Largest petal we call in vexillary, yes, standard or vexillum, correct. Then these lateral petals we call wings or alae, correct. And the third one, smallest, we call gill. That's very good. So that's why we call it a papilionaceous, right? Now next, androecium valve. Tell me, total how many stamens? 10. In which condition? These 10 are in which condition? Carpus fuse, all are fused 10. Jugal, see carefully. Yes, 9 plus 1. See, over here 9 stamens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 9 are fused, 1 remain 3. Remember that condition we call 2 bundles of stamen, that condition we call. Yes, correct, Gala. Didelphus, correct. And here, okay, anthers. We have learned that anthers are bilobed structure. Anthers are bilobed structure. So we call dithecus. In each, that's and one more thing, bilobed, and in each one 2 theca are present. That's why we call it a dithecus structure. So anthers, dithecus. This term is given. Next, that's the gynoecium. Gynoecium, in that, how many carpels are present? From this diagram you can see, and you know P we have learned in P, Patana. Yes, single carpel, so we call it a monocarpellary condition, right? Next, monocarpellary condition. Then next, how many locules are present? Locule chamber, yes, 1. And green peas Vatana, okay, focus on that and tell me, in one, that ovary, how many ovules are present? Green peas, I'm telling you that, focus on that green peas. यहाँ पे ये सिंगल एक दिखा है that shows the marginal placentation. You know, in green peas, right? In one ovary, so many ovules are attached, and they are attached with the margin. That's why we call marginal placentation. Remember, right? In that, remember, one ovary hai, so only one style. So style is single. Then remember, position of ovary is superior. Position of ovary is superior. Superior ovary type of flower we call superior ovary type of flower we call? Correct. Hypogynous. Good. Right. Next. Type of the fruit. This, okay, the fruit of the Fabaceae family. Plants belong to Fabaceae family. Commonly we call legume. Commonly we call legume. Next, seeds. Remember, dicots. This one belongs to dicot. Dicots generally have endospermic seed or non-endospermic seed. Yes, correct. So these are, remember, non-endospermic seed. In each fruit, either single seed is present or many. Many, like example, green peas. Right? So this much information, okay, for the floral characters starts from the inflorescence, then flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, fruit, and seed. Now we are going to write floral formula. Quickly tell me. See, one more thing. We can represent mother axis either in symmetrical form, the flower as radial symmetry or bilateral, or as just dotted form. Both the forms, okay, they are correct. They're either symmetrical form or the dotted form. That shows mother axis. Now, first tell me, here the what type of symmetry of flower? Correct. Zygomorphic symmetry, bilateral. Unisexual or bisexual flower? Correct. So make a symbol of this, bisexual. Next, explain about that four whorls. Starts with the calyx, symbol K. How many sepals and they are fused or free? Write down. Yes, K with bracket 5. Correct. Gamosepalous Jaiti. Correct. Yes, head, Galav, all are correct. Next, corolla. In that, petals are arranged with that maxillary estivation. One is totally outer, right? Then two are lateral, and then this two. So when we make a dotted line, आपको dotted line बना के check कर लेना. This is the one whorl, the second, and this is the outer. All are arranged in different whorl, so that's why we have to write in that plus format. Which one? Yes, correct. 1 plus 2 plus 2. And if you can make out last two small joy, actually they are joined. So write in a bracket. This thing is important. Okay, students generally forget to make last two petals are fused. Remember. Okay. So next, after that corolla, androecium. How many stamens? 10. Here didelphous condition. So we write in this way, 9 fuse plus 1. Yes. Tell me, gynoecium. Gynoecium monocarpellary hai, see. So write 1. And superior ovary means hypogynous, means in this format you will have to write or represent this gynoecium. This is the entire floral formula. Starts with the symmetry, then sexuality, then four whorls. Right. Last point. Quickly. Okay, we are going to that last point of this family. That economic importance. In that, first, that's the edible pulses. Edible pulses, so many examples are there. But first, remember the examples given in your textbook. In that first example, gram or her, then same, moong, soybean, same, that's the valod papdi. Okay, that we call the same. Then edible oils, groundnut oil, makkadi, right? And the soya bean. Dyes, indigo para. Fibers we get from sun hemp plant. Fodder, that's the food of cattle. Sesbania and trifolium. Then ornamental means decorative purpose. Lupin and sweet pea. And medicine, and that mulethi, in Gujarati we call jeti mat. Okay, mulethi in Gujarati we call the jeti mat, that is used as a medicine to reduce the cough. So these are the economically important plants belong to this Fabaceae family. Right? I hope you all are clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. In the next class, we will complete this chapter